Vice President Sara. Naisipan na rin makipag-ayos ni BBM kay Vice President Sara dahil tila nga nagkakaroon na rin ng hidwaan sa pagitan nila BBM, Liza at Romualdez. Upang makabawi itong si BBM kay Vice President Sara, lumabas ang bali-balitang papalitan na si Speaker Romualdez ni Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo para daw matapos na ang hidwa ang nagaganap ngayon sa Marcos administration. Ayon kasi sa post ng DBS na si Ibi Galpo, will GMA be the next Speaker of the House? Game theory. If this happens, then it is clear there now is a huge crack between Martin on the other side and BBM Liza on the other. This, lumayas na si Marcos sa Malacanang. Utang na yan na presidente. VP Sara and the 30 Nation should never stop applying pressure on this evil triumvirate and instead intensify the wrath of public opinion on them. As much as we want Marcoleta to be Speaker, GMA is a compromise for both sides. And by both sides ay Lizas and Martins. If magiging fair si GMA, maganda. For sure, nilagayan for making peace between Marcos and Duterte. Kaya yan ang rason bakit umalis si GMA bilang speaker. Pero nakik GMA na kung gagawa siya ng maling hakbang, mas lalo lang magagalit ang tao sa kanya. Baka last na niya sa politika pag mangyari yun. Kaya dapat maging maingat tayo siya sa mga tutibusin niya. Sadyang hindi lang matanggap ni BBM at ni Liza na napakarami talagang supporters ni Vice President Sara at nang malaman niya, nang makita niya at nang mapagtanto niya na kapag pinagpatuloy pa niya ang patalskin si Vice President Sara sa kanyang pwesto ay taong bayan na mismo ang kanyang makakalaban at mababaliktad pa ang sitwasyon. Siya pa ang mapapatalsik. Papalag ka ba, Bongbong Marcos? Noong isang araw sinabi mo na papalagan mo na si VP Sara. Pero ngayon lang sabi mo, as far as I'm concerned, it is a storm in a teacup. Anyari. Tapos ngayon nag-o-offer ka ng ito na bang sinasabi ni Manong Johnny Enrile na let's cool things down for the sake of the country or for the sake of you, your family, the political elites, and the oligarchy. Feeling the heat now, I suppose. Okay, mga kababayan, knows. I-subscribe niyo po ako. As far as I'm concerned, we have reached the point of no return. Don't ever think that the 30 Nation will keep quiet now with this poorly made machination. Hindi kami bangag. Ayaw naman kay explanation. They are trying to de-escalate because their plan didn't work. However, the damage has been done. And this attempt to de-escalate is also unimportant in larger scheme of things. The pa-demure and pa-savior PR material